Okay guys, so you are all familiar with Bora tools. So one of the cool things that I love about Bora tools overall is their innovation. So they usually will take a product that everybody uses and they'll make it better. I love that about them. I've loved that about them for about 10 years. So there's no difference here on their new portable compact pro pocket jig. So some of the features that I really love about this, right out of the box, this thing is metal. So yeah, there's some plastic obviously, but the actual jig is metal, which means that it's going to hold up. You're going to put it into your toolbox, your tool bag. You're going to bring it with you on decking jobs, on fixing various woodworking things. Whatever project that you have, this thing's going to hold up in your toolbox. So I like that about it. The other thing that I really love about it is going along the lines of the rest of the Bora tools, it's smart. So there's a smart design aspect. So not only can you set the depth of your piece on this jig, right? But you can also, if you loosen this collet right here, we're going to loosen that. As you set the depth with your material, this also sets the depth of the drill driver. So the other thing that's cool is, if you guys can see this, it has a color-coded chart. So as you set the depth on your material, you're able to set it, and then it tells you right here what color screw you need. So let's get to that for a second. The greatest part about this setup is there's no guessing. You don't have to guess whether or not you need an inch, inch and a quarter, 2 inch, whatever it is, 2.5 inch. So Armor Tools was a company that Bora purchased. They got this, a lot of the kind of the platform, and they've acquired them. They brought it in with them, but Bora has now taken it over. They've innovated it a bit more. This was not something that they offered, but the screw being a colorized set, that was something that they did bring over. So I always love that. I've loved that for about 7 or 8 years, and Bora has retained that. So it's something that you guys are also going to like because it makes it easy for your material. As soon as you set your depth on this pocket jig, you're able to just grab the screw. That works. So that's a nice set that comes with it. I've got it here. So a couple of the other features. So the product itself, besides the fact that you're able to kind of set the depth right here to your material, as you put your material right in here, you're going to be able to set that material depth, tighten it up. So now you know your screw, you know the depth of the actual bit, then you've got your jig set up. So this comes off. As you can see, it's all set. It does have a little lip right here, so that sits on your material. You'll clamp that down. We do have one of those Bora clamps, again, auto clamp right here. So you're going to clamp this down and you're going to drill away. So this is really quick, really easy, and everything kind of goes back together. As you can see, goes back together. You're able to put all of the onboard, set that again, we'll tighten that screw, and your Allen wrench is on board so you don't lose it, and you've got it no matter what. So these are all some great features right here that I love about the compact Bora Tools pocket jig. I think you're going to like this. It's great. It's actually kind of, if you think about it, it's also ergonomic. So it does fit in the palm of your hand. It is going to be great. It doesn't take up too much space. So that's definitely something to consider. So obviously we've got the other jigs as well. So here's the larger jig. It does work on the same colorized system. So your bit, everything gets set just as smart as the smaller jig, but this guy right here is a little bit more difficult to bring with you. Also, if you're doing decking, you're doing some mitered corners, things like that, this guy right here, whole lot easier to use. than standing up a 16-foot board and putting it into the jig. So again, check out Bora tools. I'll put a link in the video itself. You can check that out. You can pick these guys up at Lowe's Home Improvement or online.